Oh wow, so during a match, Rowan takes a number of free throws. He scores 70% of his free throws on average. Assume that scoring his free throws are independent events. Find the probability that he scores his first 3 free throws. So, do you just go probability? So, first throw, second throw. It's not just 70%, is it? He scores 70% of his free throws on average. No, you do what I was about to do there. Second throw, third throw. So, oh yeah, it's of his free throws. It's not, I keep thinking free throws, you get 2 of them or 3 of them. No. So, if he throws it, he's a 70% chance of scoring it, right? So, that's going to be now probability of score, probability of score, and probability of score again, and that's all and in the middle here. And so we get 0.7 by 0.7 by 0.7. What's the answer? 0.343. Okay, next question. So, next question there now. Find the probability that he's, what's this one say? That he scores exactly 2 of them. Okay, now lads, you've got to understand this. This is being clever here now, right? He takes 3 shots. So, 1, 2, 3. So, that he scores exactly 2 of them. Now you can do up a table here. But he could score the first, he could score the second, he could miss the third. He could score the first, he could miss the second, he could score the third. He could score he scored the first, what am I missing here? He could miss the first, he could score the second, and he could score the third. I think you've only 3 possible ways of doing it. Yeah? So, let's do it for one of them, and then you multiply your answer by 3. Right? Do it for one of them. So I'm just saying probability of score, and a probability of miss. I could have done it in any order. I could have said probability of miss, probability of score, probability of score. So let's work it out for one of them. This is just for one. One only. So this is 0.7, 0.7, 0.3. Multiply it. What answer do you get there? 0.147. Now listen to me, lads. That's only showing you for one way. That was only for one way. Is 0.343. He still has 2 other ways he can do it, couldn't he? So, but 3 ways in total. So you have to multiply that by 3, and you get your answer to be
0.441.
0.441. Job done. Give a reason why scoring free throws might not be in defended defence. Previous shots may affect confidence. He might move. Wind. I don't know. Blah blah. And then stop. That's like an expected value question, but it's actually finding the average. John, good luck. And maybe actually I'll finish this myself. No, I won't do it, huh?